Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Today's video is extra special to me because I made these DIYs with my husband. It's always sweeter doing something you love with your loved ones. I have to give him full credit on these ideas because they came from him. I wanted to take you guys along the process to show you how easy and affordable these DIYs were to make. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified for my next video. For the first DIY, you'll need 5 medium boxes and 3 small boxes. You can find these boxes anywhere, and if you want to get them for free, I would try Dollar Tree. Some stores give them to you for free, so just check with them. Use any kind of decor you want to see on the train, so I got mini presents, bells, berries, stickers, garland, black paint, and a paper towel roll. Here my husband put a medium box down and added small boxes on half of the bigger box and on the side. Then he put a small box on top to create the front of the train. Make sure to use strong tape for this to hold better. I added tape on the box where it folds down so it stays nice and tall. Then I put the box in the center of the wrapping paper, which I got from Walmart for $5. It was actually cheaper to get this from Walmart compared to the Dollar Tree because it had more yards. You can find any kind of wrapping paper and make your own version. Here I'm just adding tape in the wrapping paper to the box. I'm going around until it covers everything. I'm going to use this candle here so I can trace circles for the wheels of the train. I'm tracing 4 circles and I'll cut out with scissors. Then using a Keurig cup, I traced it to make 16 smaller circles for the wheels on the back of the train. Next, I painted the circles black and let it dry for 20 minutes. The thinner you paint it, the faster it'll dry. To make things easier, you can actually buy the black poster from the Dollar Tree to cut out the circles instead of painting them. We filmed this around midnight and didn't have any at home, so we just made these instead. I really like the way that these wheels look though because they are thick and pop out a little from the train. Grabbing the snowflake sticker, I'm going to add it to the small wheels to give it a cute winter look. I put a piece of tape on the back of the wheels and stuck them on the corners of the box all around. Then I got some trash bags to fill in the box, that way it looks like I have a full train of snow and presents. I used cotton balls to look like snow and then the presents on top. It looks really adorable in person. You can definitely make this your own, and I would love to see what you come up with if you decide to recreate this, so just tag me on Instagram. Then I added some garland around the top and tied it to give it more of a glam look. Next I added the bells around. Repeating the step for the second box, the only thing different that I did here is insert a tree and a snowman with presents. You can make each part of the train different. It would look so cute, definitely an eye catcher. Since this video is already getting long, I cut down 3 DIYs to 2, so this is the last one for today. Do you guys like seeing long videos? If you do, let me know, that way I know to make more DIYs in them. You will need 2 big boxes for the bottom of the snowman, a medium-sized box, and a small one for the head. These came from Dollar Tree. They were laying around in the store because employees were putting things out. We asked if we could have them, and they were really nice to let us take them home. You will also need a bow, paint, hat, garland, and these gold light bulb ornaments. When you stack the 2 big boxes, add tape to secure the boxes from getting out of place. You can add sandbags in here so that way the snowman has some weight and doesn't easily get moved around. Next, place the boxes in the middle of the wrapping paper and start wrapping all of them. Grabbing the garland, my husband wrapped it around to look like a fun festive scarf, and it laid on the medium box. Next, add the hat. The bow is placed on the side of the box with strong tape in the back. Here, grab some scissors and start making a little hole with them, that way you can stick the nose in. Next, add the buttons on the middle box and the big box with tape on the back. This is how I taped them, and now we'll add the eyes. Cut the eyes after tracing a quarter. For the smile, we used the same size circles and added 6 of them. A small hole on each side of the middle box to insert the arms. I used long flower stems because they were easy to bend and skinny to look like sticks. You can use sticks from your backyard, but I just had these on hand. I put tape on the other side of the arm so it can look like it's waving and saying hello. In total for this project, I spent $9. $4 of it was from Dollar Tree and $5 for the wrapping paper from Walmart. This was such a great deal and fun way to decorate for the holidays on a budget. Here's how the snowman turned out, you guys. We are really happy with the results of both of these DIYs. They were honestly a lot of fun to make, so I encourage you to do the same with your loved ones. You can put this at the front of your door, the kitchen, or next to a mirror for decor. The list goes on because these are very nice to have for this holiday season. Let me know which DIY you like best, and thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys really soon in my next video.